This house is listed at $1,100,000.
Well, that's $100,000 over our budget.
It is. But think about what you're getting here, and that's before negotiating.
What I really love about it is it actually gives us more than we asked for.
Could it get any more perfect?
I think this is as close as you can get.
It's really nice.
I can't believe you're as excited as you are.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish Hilary could have been here to see the look on their faces.
It really hits everything we asked for. I mean,
It's as if David read our minds.
I think this house was actually inspirational for them because it showed them how their lifestyle could be for them and their friends in a way they didn't think was possible.
in my heart, I'm hopeful that Hilary and her team can turn it around. The house does need some work, but it's a great house.
The extra 15-minute commute for Tommy is not enough to stop where this train is heading.
Yeah, she's great, but it's going to be hard to top it.
While David's ready to close the sale, the reno of Bert and Tommy's house is down to the wire as the kitchen counters get installed. The appliances arrive, and Hilary makes some final design decisions.
It's got movement, it's got color.
It's a strong statement.
On one wall.
Yeah, yeah.
And as the furniture arrives, the crew completes last-minute touches as the whole space comes together.
You're laughing already.
Yeah, we're so excited.
We're really excited.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go. We're going in the side entrance.
Oh my gosh. That's, wow.
We pushed this entry out 4 feet. Now looks as though it should always have been like this.
That's
Oh my
really
gosh.
nicely done.
Here we go. Come on in.
Where did this come from? This is amazing.
This is not the same place. Place for the dogs.
The dogs.
Well done.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, they will love this.
They'll be able to have a nice snooze here and not feel that they have been, you know, put into a laundry room.
Exactly.
Oh my
Good Lord.
All the way in.
Oh my gosh.
Go on in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that dog bath.
Bootsy's gonna be happy there.
You
love
can
it.
get them both in at the same time there.
Really well done.
Yeah, beyond expectations.
So now I just want you to get a sense of this wallpaper when you actually see an entire wall done in it.
Wow. It's got some energy to it and it doesn't repeat. I like that a lot.
Okay, so let's go downstairs.
Alrighty.
And it brings us into this new area,
Great.
which is, of course, guest room, but the key is bathroom.
All right.
Let's go take a look.
Oh, wow.
Good Lord.
So you've got the nice single pane of glass
Yeah.
here, so the gorgeous light comes in.
Right. You know, Tommy, these are your
like these a
style
lot.
lights.
These are
I knew
great.
you would like them. Yeah.
Feels good.
All right, let's go on up. As we go along, we've still got your music room, Tommy.
Good.
And then we have your office.
My office.
Do you want to take a look?
Yes.
Wow.
This is fantastic.
This was
This
a
is-
neglected room, and the potential was phenomenal, as you now see.
So nice.
I love it.
Your second guest bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Nice.
I'm glad they're different.
And again, the beautiful window bringing in natural
Yeah.
light.
It fits with the rest of it.
That looks great.
Tommy, let's go.
Let's see this kitchen. Oh my gosh.
Stunning.
This
Look
is
at
very
this.
good.
Oh my gosh. We got a real kitchen.
You've got a seriously real kitchen. Look at this island. It is huge.
It's nice and big.
Yeah.
But imagine a party when you've got 20 people standing around this
Yeah,
bar.
lots of space.
It works. And this
This is a wow.
beautiful courtyard that you have
Yes. And opening it up like this, it feels so wonderful. We never really used it, but we will use this because it's part of the area now.
and of course, it continues all the way into...
Gosh. That is spectacular.
This is truly amazing.
Your home needed to maximize not just the natural light coming in, you had to maximize the connection with this beautiful setting.
Yeah.
Look at your new front door as well.
Whoa, yes!
I love it.
Yes.
I love it. It's so much brighter in here. Those doors and those Palladian windows were so wrong, and this is so right.
It feels like there's just literally nothing lacking anymore in this house.
TV room?
I know that a media room was really important to you, and I think that now that you've seen everything, you would have to agree that the media room simply isn't the most important room in this house. When you have this...
Yeah, you're right. It is totally secondary.
You had never really used your sunroom, so we've done some work in there too.
Let's see it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's a whole room here.
And this was the key, reclaiming this old sunroom to become your new media room.
It doesn't look like an old screen and porch that looks like it was always part of the house.
Oh, doggy door.
There it is.
There it is, perfect.
Because it is a media room, you now have actually blackout blinds in here.
And I'm sorry I doubted you. You did find a new room.
It really is like a different house.
Welcome back to your house.
It really looks great.
But let's talk about the house that we looked at. An incredible main floor where everybody can get together. An office space for you on the main floor that you loved. You had 3 bedrooms upstairs, all of which had access to their own bathrooms. And you go down to that lower level with that media room that you guys didn't want to leave. And the dance studio, it's almost as if it was built for you.
Yeah.
And it has something you will never have here, which is a pool. There was a whole lot of awesome going on in that house.
I think you're right.
Now, before you make your decision, I have one more listing to show you. And it's yours. This is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
That's a good number.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $700,000, and with a reno budget of $180,000, the new estimated value of their home is $925,000. That's an increase of $225,000.
It's now a little bit easier because of the money you're going to get out of here.
It'll be a nice down payment.
Yes.
For sure.
In the end, Hilary opened and lightened the main living areas and created new spaces just for Tommy and Bert and transformed spaces specifically for their guests. But she wasn't able to give them the outdoor pool they dreamed about. David, on the other hand, found them a big contemporary home loaded with everything they need for themselves and also for their guests. But it was over budget.
Did you give them everything they asked for?
Except for the pool, yes.
I love that it had a pool.
And we can never have a pool here.
Where's his dance studio
He
here?
didn't ask me for a dance studio.
Oh, so he doesn't have one here then.
But this house really has the space that we need.
Yeah.
They upped their budget.
Tell me, how did you do it?
I didn't even ask.
No, you wouldn't have to ask. You just had to fail at finding them anything that they wanted with the right budget.
Each house has so much going for it.
This is so much harder than I thought it was going to be.
Let's go. So, decision made?
Yes.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to list it.
Pool!
Hilary, you and your team did an amazing job, and this house is spectacular. But David showed us a house that had everything we wanted, plus